Thanks for joining us tonight. Jury selection began today in what is sure to be an emotional and difficult trial involving the brutal murder of 6-year-old Eli Hart.
Attorneys made steady progress today, finding jurors who will have to sort through the disturbing evidence and determine whether Julissa Thaler is guilty of first-degree murder.
But the process wasn't without trepidation. Lou Raguse was in the courtroom and joins us now with an update. Lou?
Julie and Randy, several jurors questioned today were nervous about having to view graphic photos involving the murder of a child. But prosecutors put many of those fears to rest, and they were able to seat 7 jurors.
Usually in a murder trial, jurors have to see crime scene and autopsy photos showing the body of the victim. But that won't happen in the trial concerning the murder of 6-year-old Eli Hart. Prosecutor Dan Allard is reassuring jurors that they will not show those images, although some graphic crime scene photos will include blood. Eli's mother, Julissa Thaler, is standing trial for first-degree premeditated murder, accused of shooting Eli multiple times with a shotgun while he was strapped into his seat in the back of her car. Regarding photographic evidence, Allard told the judge, "We are self-editing because I don't want to see them again. They are horrid. The jury doesn't want to see them. They are as bad as I've seen in any case." Thaler asked the judge if she could leave the courtroom when crime scene photos are shown, but that motion was denied. The prosecution plans to tell the jury about the bitter custody battle between Thaler and Eli's father, Torrey Hart. Allard said internet searches by Thaler, including for life insurance policies, prove premeditation. The state's theory is that Thaler would do anything to keep the boy away from his father. Torrey Hart is suing Dakota County Social Services, which returned Eli to his mother despite numerous red flags noted in their reports. That lawsuit is in federal court with a trial set for February 2024. As for the criminal case against Thaler, she has turned down plea offers and now faces potential life in prison if convicted, and her attorney has not yet made her defense strategy known.
With the 7 jurors selected, they need to get to 12 jurors and either 2 or 3 alternates. At this pace, opening statements could start Friday, but if jury selection slows down, that could be pushed back to Monday. Julie.
All right. Thanks, Lou.